Good news everyone, we've reached 1 million views on YouTube, so here at Wonderstruck we'd like to say a big thank you to everyone who's watched one of their videos, and really the only way we can do that is by blowing something up. Right, what we thought we'd do to celebrate is a boiling liquid expanding vapour explosion. Now, we've done loads of these in the past. Usually when we do shows and things like that, we restrict ourselves to a 2-litre bottle. But anyway, yeah, a 2-litre bottle, even that is big enough to make your ears ring at about 30 feet, even outside. So today, to celebrate, what we thought we'd do for the first time ever is a 25-litre container. Now, we've never used these before, don't quite know how it's going to behave. It's very thick plastic. I think the weak point is probably the cap, but we'll give it a go and we'll see what happens. We do have an air rifle standing by, so if it swells up but doesn't look like it's going to burst, we will actually set it off with the gun. So anyway, let's get cracking. Thank you very much to all our YouTube viewers. Hope you enjoyed that. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, watch our videos.